Ngifuna ungixoxele ngemali. Sikhuluma ngerand.
Sithathe ithombe nje sifile.
Nanti irand esikhuluma ngalo. Africa my continent, Africa my home, se Africa, South Africa kwaZulu, seThekwini. Ngimi la nenkosazana. Yabona ke mina sengineminyaka eminingi na 53.
Yebo.
Mangikhula kwakuthiwa amandla erand, sakhula irand lathe u2 rand uqhathanise negolide kwahamba laba u8 rand uqhathanisa negolide. Angiyazi lona. Ubani lo ngihleli naye ungixoxele nje ukuthi yini irand kwenziwani?
Hayi, ayikho inkinga. Igama uAmani wakaDube.
Yes.
Khona manje sibhekene nenkinga baba.
Yes.
Amabhanki wonke mawuhlangene amanipulate irand okusho ukuthi kuyimanje kumele ngabe irand lithengwa u1 rand u7 rand uthenga idola elilodwa. Kodwa manje njengoba ngime nawe namhlanje ligijima ko17 rand 18 rand. Kufika kanjani lokho? Kufika ngokuthi amabhanki bebeqhudelana makuthengwa kutradewa amakhampani amakhulu. Makutradewa umuntu bekabheka ukuthi Standard Bank udayisa ngamalini bani bahlala phansi babona ukuthi bona bafuna ukuwina bodwa. Bahlala phansi bahlangana bayinyusa ukwenzela ukuthi nanoma ubani oyitholayo leyo deal bona benza imali. Impumela yaloko ngoba ukuthi sekunyuka the price of living.
Yes.
Kuthina ke sihleli sama South African ngoba mawutrade imoto nje mangenza umzembekelo mawuthenga imoto manje sithenga 3 times more.
Oh.
Isinkwa njengoba manje mawukuthi ngaba u7 rand to the dollar isinkwa singaba u8 rand suka ku20 rand. Ngomhla ka17 November we shut down sobe senza iprotest sobe senza sobe sikhuluma ngalezo zinto. Rand manipulation amabhanki anga-ownwa yithina ama South African behlangene bonke no South African Reserve Bank o Oppenheimer ke no Stellenbosch mafias mabeyisho ba own ama percentage lapho. They own ama bonds. Ikwelete zethu ownwa yibona sikweleta bona kodwa bona ba manipulate rand ukoppressa thina siwumningizimu Afrika. So besola lezo zinto it's a system. And it falls down kuyo yonke into ongayicabanga upetrol isinkwa iVAT solo ne-rate inflation bafuna ukunyuka ngo3% zonke lezo zinto ezihlangene nemali nomnotho wase South Africa. Poverty is a man-made phenomenon.
Yes.
It's a problem that is created by people that sit in boardrooms basidecide ukuthi siyongena ke lapha sikhuluma kuyimanje Saudi Arabia ilwela iTheku bafuna ukulithenga balenza iDubai ngaleso sikhathi iEurope ithi hayi Saudi Arabia thina sifuna ukugubha lithium lento yenza amabheji njengoba sebeqalile nje emzumbe zonke lezo zinto we need to arrest nama politicians avumelayo ukuthi labantu bangenele kwisystem ya South Africa babhala nama policy wethu njengoba masiyoboleka imali mhlawumbe njengomongameli wethi simbone hambe yoboleka imali ko EU nako IMF nako World Bank. Lezi imali lezi ikweletwa yithina. Inkinga enkulu ifike ibe sekutheni njengoba beyoyikweleta izoyenza umsebenzi la eSouth Africa but umsebenzi awufiki ebantwini. Ama job creations labakhuluma ngawo awafiki. Thina asisebenzi kuyimanje. And then bona ifike idleke kubona futhi imali iphela. I report was given by on the 4th of November. I report ithi tax mawuyikhokhela. Mawukhokha 1 rand kwi tax. U5 cent kuphela osizwa umuntu okhokhela leyo tax. U95 cent uyapi? Ukhokhela ama government officials imkholo wabo lapho ke banama position inqwaba khona bebexoxa besho ukuthi hayi ngiyideputy lana kodwa angizazi ukuthi ngisebenza ngenzani. Uyazibona nje lezo inkinga ezinjalo kodwa uyahola u2 million. U2 million ngitshele baba ungenza umsebenzi ongakanani umehluko ongakanani kumuntu ozama ukwenza ibusiness eSouth Africa. EG So now lo 95 cent uphinde futhi uhlukane futhi almost 65% of lo 95 cent lo ophelayo nje esithubeni uya towards ama ghost projects and tenders mabe news i-tax njalo ikhokho wena kusayo lo 1 rand wakho njalo le mali edliwayo njengoba sibuka ama commission lawo isuka from your pocket. From your pocket. It is not fair that in 2025 as a taxpayer i-tax inyuswa njalo ukwenzela ukuthi khokho bese bayabuya bathi yashoda imali eSouth Africa beyidlile. They didn't govern the country well. They didn't manage our financial systems and it's not impossible. The truth is we are disrespected as citizens of South Africa even with our very own land, our very minerals and our money. We need to put a stop to this. This is going to be a long process because we are not fighting with just it's 1 or 2 individuals. We're fighting with a system that is oppressive towards a South African person.
Uthe nkosazane nenze i-shutdown lezi ngane mina ngilahlekile ngazi mophuma
Okay.
idola nenze i-shutdown niyenza nini i-shutdown
Ngomhla ka-17
yes
wonke ama-city la eSouth Africa so besimasha submitha ama-demands wethu
Yes.
to National Treasury, ama-bank that are involved, the police commissions, and everyone involved in the rand manipulation, in the 7 rand to the dollar exchange, and we want accountability from government for all these corrupt politicians that are involved in all this mess esiyona to be held accountable. Sifuna ababosho kube nama-docket ashoyo ukuthi nayi arrest warrant. You can't take away izinto uthatha ama-Lamborghini bese ushiya umuntu.
yes
So that's what we are marching for. So on the 17th we're giving them our demands. We will be giving them 5 days.
yes
By Friday, mawukuthi asiphenduleki siyi-youth yase-South Africa, siyabantu base-South Africa, voting, tax-paying citizens of South Africa. We are shutting down the economy. We will not participate. Not a single person will trade. All the economic hubs will not be in business on that day. This is how we're standing up for ourselves. Because the thing is, people bayasaba ukuthi, hey, we will so disturb the economy. The economy is us. Abantu ngicela bayazi leyo nto ukuthi ayikho into ekuthiwa i-economy ngaphandle kwakho.
yes
Wonke ama-decisions ayenziwa in these tables bawenza ngegama lakho, ngemali yakho, ngokusebenza kwakho, ngezandla zakho, ngomnotho wakho.
Nkosazana siyabonga kakhulu
Siyabonga baba.
thank you so much
Siyabonga
ngicabanga ukuthi ke asibe nawo lamathuba nanokuthi ke nizosifundisa
Yeah.
nisibambe nje ngesandla ukuthi irandi nedola yini
Yeah.
lokhu kungi-affecta kanjani umuntu nje oyohola i-grant ma ikhona into ekuthiwa i-grant u-350 lo-370 uma leli randi nethi liyamanipulate lizomenza ukuze ibe njengoba uchaze kahle chaza ngesinkwa
Yeah.
ukuthi isinkwa bekungenzeka sisuke ku-20 size ku-8
Yeah.
rand wenza kube lula-ke nakube ukuthi
Yeah.
lento ikhandiwe lento hhayi ukuthi vele irandi kubiza le mali
Ehe.
yabonga kakhulu nkosazana
Yebo baba.
Thank you so
Bonga
much.
mina.
Siyabonga
Bonga
kakhulu.
mina.
Thank you
Thank